Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make images in Roblox. So in order to make an image in Roblox, we can use any free or paid tools in our arsenal. We can even use the basic paint that is offered by Windows, and also Photoshop that is offered by Adobe, which is a paid software. For this video, I'll just be using the basic paint software of Windows. So in the search panel of Windows, I'll just type in paint, then click on open. After I have opened paint, I'll just draw some random structures in here which will represent the image I am making. So I'll just draw something random, and I can also give them certain colors according to their positioning. For that, I can use this tool. So here's sort of an image I have created, and in order to save it, I'll just crop this section over here. So now the image has gotten smaller, and I can save it in the desktop as a PNG image. I'll just say it as image, then click on save. Now here's the image I just created. Now in order to upload the image, we have to open up our browser, then firstly head to roblox.com. After the website loads, we have to head to the create tab from here. Now we have to head to the creations tab. From here, development items, then click on decals. Now click on upload asset. Now click on the upload button. Now in the desktop, we'll see the image we just created is present here. We'll upload it, and the name will be just image, and also you can give some befitting description of this image. After you are done with it, you can click on the upload button. Now the image will be uploaded. Now the image is uploaded here, and in order to use this image, you can click on the URL from here and take this numbers, which is essentially the ID of this item, and then you can use it anywhere you want. So that's how you can make an image for Roblox through any free or paid application. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.